Hello guys, welcome back to Crypto Mesh. Today we will talk about Cardano, a very promising project from the crypto space. Cardano is a proof-of-stake third-generation blockchain designed to support smart contracts with potential implementation in supply chain traceability and governance. Proof-of-stake known as POS systems allow miners to mine or validate block transactions based on the amounts they hold. The Cardano project, with its aim to build a blockchain based on solid scientific research and best industry practice, appeared in 2015. In 2017, the project raised more than $60 million in an ICO. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson, an entrepreneur-mathematician, who was also among the co-founders of Ethereum.
If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.
Hoskinson is also the CEO of IOHK, a research and development firm. In September 2020, Cardano Foundation appointed Frederik Gregaard as its CEO. The foundation is based in Switzerland and a non-profit organization. The cryptocurrency is named after the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, the daughter of the poet Lord Byron. Cardano is based on the Ouroboros proof-of-stake blockchain protocol, which is claimed to be 4 million times more energy efficient than Bitcoin. Cardano's roadmap has a number of steps, each named after a literary figure like Byron, Shelley, Gauguin, Basho, and Voltaire. These steps are also known as eras, which define different features of the Cardano token. The third roadmap step, Gauguin era, integrated smart contracts, which was a major improvement for the Cardano network. A smart contract allows for trusted transactions and agreements to take place among unrelated and even anonymous parties, without the need for any authority or any sort of other enforcement intermediaries. Other cryptocurrencies that support smart contracts include Ethereum, Polkadot, Tron or Cosmos. The long-term sustainable development of the Cardano blockchain without centralization is supported by a treasury system that helps sustain the development of the protocol. Cardano development is driven by three different organizations. The Swiss-based Cardano Foundation is tasked with overseeing the development and building the Cardano community. Input-Output Hong Kong IOHK builds the blockchain and the tools for its application. Emergo is a for-profit company promoting commercial applications of Cardano. On the technological front, IOHK is partnering with Wyoming University to develop a crypto authentication microchip that can give crypto users fiat-like experience by ensuring it works without internet access. This technology has potential applications for peer-to-peer payments, as well as enterprise uses, such as in the authentication process. At this moment, a DIA token is on the 4th place in the top coin market cap, with a price of 82 cents. A DA has a market cap of $25.6 billion and a circulating supply of 31.1 billion coins. Maximum supply is 45 billion coins. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.